Welcome to Hypothetical Travel, the channel where we help you plan the best trips. Today, we're heading to the beautiful and historic San Juan, Puerto Rico. From breathtaking beaches to delicious food, and even a day trip to the rainforest, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. First things first, what should you pack? San Juan's tropical climate means light, breathable clothing, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a good hat are must-haves. Comfortable walking shoes are essential if you plan on exploring Old San Juan. And don't forget a swimsuit for the stunning beaches. If you're heading to El Yunque, pack a rain jacket and sturdy hiking shoes. San Juan offers a variety of accommodations for every budget. If you want luxury, Condado and Escambrón have high-end beachfront resorts. For a more local feel, try staying in Old San Juan, where colorful colonial buildings house boutique hotels and Airbnbs. Budget travelers will also find great hostels and guest houses. San Juan is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. Condado Beach is perfect for sunbathing, Ocean Park is great for kite surfing, and Escambrón Beach is ideal for snorkeling. If you're up for an adventure, try a kayaking tour in the bioluminescent Bay of Laguna Grande. History lovers, you can't visit San Juan without exploring Castillo San Felipe del Morro. This 16th century Spanish fortress was built to protect the island from invaders. Walk through the tunnels, stand on the old battlements, and enjoy stunning ocean views. It's one of Puerto Rico's most iconic landmarks. Need some retail therapy? The Mall of San Juan is the place to be. This upscale shopping destination has designer stores, local boutiques, and fantastic restaurants. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion or souvenirs, you'll find it here. Let's talk food. Puerto Rican cuisine is a must-try, and the star of the show is mofongo, mashed plantains mixed with garlic, pork, or seafood. You can't leave without trying fresh seafood, from grilled fish to ceviche. Some of the best restaurants include La Casita Blanca for authentic local flavors, and Santa Ella for a modern take on Puerto Rican cuisine. If you have extra time, take a day trip to El Yunque National Rainforest, just an hour from San Juan. This tropical paradise is home to waterfalls, hiking trails, and unique wildlife. Don't miss La Mina Falls for a refreshing swim in the jungle. And that's your ultimate guide to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Whether you're here for the beach's history or amazing food, this island has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Where should we travel next? See you in the next adventure.